Here's another home improvement tip from Todd and Todd.
Today we're going to take a look at how to remove a double hung sash completely from the window and to reinstall it. Generally this is only needed when you need service, and our service technicians take care of this, but sometimes you may want to take care of that yourself, or you may need to remove it to move furniture through the window or something like that. So it's really quite easy. Here's what you need to do. Unlock the window, open it about half the way up, then tilt it down for cleaning like you normally would for cleaning. Get it into its horizontal position like this, and then all you need to do is just simply lift up on one side and lift up on the other side, and then continue lifting, and the sash will actually disengage from two little shoes inside the frame of the window. You can see the pins on either side. Then to put the window back in, you simply put one side in, then the other side in, and then get it level above those little shoes. Then drop it down until it latches into those shoes like that. Once it's latched in, you simply tilt the window back up and lock the window. It's that easy.